Proving congruence, side angle side. Book 1, Proposition 4. If two triangles have the two sides equal to two sides respectively, and have the angles contained by the equal straight lines equal, they will also have the base equal to the base, the triangle will be equal to the triangle, and the remaining angles will be equal to the remaining angles respectively, namely those which the equal sides subtend. The modern translation? SAS Postulate. If two sides and the included angle of one triangle are congruent to two sides and the included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So here we have a congruent side here and here, the included angle, A and D, and then the second pair of congruent sides. Here's the postulate in action. Given that the length of AB is equal to the length of DE and the length of AC is equal to the length of DF, and the included angle A is congruent to this included angle D, prove that these two triangles are similar. Well, we start with our given information, and then we see that AB, this line segment, is congruent to DE since their lengths are equal, and AC is congruent to DF since their lengths are equal. Therefore, due to the side angle side postulate, these two triangles are congruent. SAS postulate. If two sides and the included angle of one triangle are congruent to two sides and the included angle of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. Again, Euclid had no way to prove this statement, so it is a postulate. We accept the statement as true without proof. Alright, here's a two-column proof puzzle. So, given that MP equals PN and LP equals PO, prove that these two triangles are congruent. Alright, so we begin with our given information, and we see that these line segments are congruent to each other because that's the definition of congruent segments. Next, we see that this angle here is congruent to this angle here because they're vertical angles. So, angle MPL is congruent to angle NPO because of the vertical angle theorem. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent because of side angle side postulate. We see that there is a side that is congruent, a pair of sides that are congruent, the included angle, and another pair of congruent sides.